G'day everyone. What's going on? I'm really hoping for some rain, more rain, that is. I should probably go through my stuff from last night. It's a really nice Friday. There's a really big black cloud over there though. It looks pretty menacing. Might have to go capture it. Holy shit. This storm is insane. I don't know what that is. Really low clouds. There's been an almost constant rumble for like the last 15 minutes or so. I think there's two storms actually colliding with each other. I think there's that one over there, and it's like kind of fused. So I think they're gonna like just go everywhere. I've got this set up though, so it's capturing some footage as well as my GoPro. It's only taking a photo every, well it was. Oh crap, we're getting rained on. I better take this inside. You bastard! Alright, what are we doing? Oh yeah. Just sat with Harold and had a few drinks after work. Harold, he's like a regular at work. I get a lot of selfies with. Have you seen any of the selfies I've been in with at work? With the dude, and he's like older fella. Happy Harold. He's always like really happy. Drinks lots of rum. Controls the jukebox. Of course we have a jukebox. Every pub has a jukebox. It's next to one of the fireplaces. Triple J.
Out the front, sorry. like you grew up on a sailboat, but damn it, I like you. I think I found wife here, but then again, I could be hiding in the kite stream. I said, I think I might wife. You know, you got your shoes? Ow! You got your shoes?
Yes, Mum, got my fucking shoes.
How you going?
Good.
That's good.
I'm on camera. Yes. Hey! Hey, camera!
Hey, how you doing?
You have a seatbelt, sucker. You get it fine.
Did you have a good night?
But how's the night? I left my cards there.
Your cards?
Yeah.
Who's Grease?
What?
Number plates, Grease.
It's Grease.
Grizz.
Grizz. What the fuck? And she's like, she's like, what the fuck is happening? And then she's like, clicking on the wrong things. And she got really angry, didn't you, Mum?
Oh, frustrated.
She got frustrated. She's yelling at me.
They're kind of the same thing.
Yeah. So you're frustrated or angry, Mum?
I was frustrated.
Yeah. And then
Because computers are so
she,
hard.
They are.
like, control, like, press everything. And then she pressed the wrong button and everything, like, got out of it.
Oh.
And she pressed the wrong thing. And she's like, what the fuck? I've controlled everything. I pressed the wrong button. Now I've got to do it again. And she's so over it.
You told me that I could take my finger off control before I press copy. And when I did that, it wouldn't copy. So I had to highlight them all again.
And I was like, Mum, just shift. She's like, nah. There's the toilet. And then you poo. Yeah, I think like put 20 in there. And then it still stunk. So I went to the kitchen again. And like I thought we were doing for a while. Look at the window. I'm like, they're still chatting. I'll just like.
If you had, like when you farted, like everybody walked inside.
I know. That's why I was like watching the window. I'm like, like made sure.
Is that why you walked for like 10 minutes?
Yes. I went inside. I'm like, I'm going to the toilet. To make sure that you weren't going inside. I was outside the window. I'm like,
Should have taken some fennel or something.
Mum, I had fennel seeds before I left.
Didn't do anything.
I had 2 handfuls of them. 2 handfuls. Did nothing, so I still was fine when I left. Michael,
You were drinking.
how about you not?
What?
I don't know how I have gas sometimes.
Well, it's probably the orange juice.
Tropical juice, Mum. Switched to black currant, but it was still fun. It's done. I had eggs this morning. They still come back in the afternoon. Fuck.
You know how that time you farted?
Never again will I have eggs in the morning.
Never ignore it. What if I get your
Oh, we are. What if you always fart anyways?
No, but what if they smell the same?
You smell worse than me. Mum, Harley smells all the time. I tell her to shower.
You bitch.
Oh, you said, I was like, what's that?
Wait. Oh, that was.
It's not my Nemo bag. Mum, remember the Nemo bag? Like, who the fuck put the Nemo bag? I'm like, oh, no.
It just reminds me of something.
Put the Nemo bag. It was me. Well, acting like some queer brought the Nemo bag. It was fucking me. You wanna go to the toilet? You wanna go to the toilet? No? No?
Ice cream. Go to the toilet.
Come on.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Come on. Go to the toilet.
Woo. Oh yeah. Good girl. Watch out. Hey guys, I can't remember if I signed off or not, but I don't think I did. Came home, quite a few drinks tonight, which is good. Been playing Fallout 4 for a few hours. Went and picked up Bree, as you saw. Yeah, pretty good night. Tomorrow I'm gonna be getting waxed and playing more Fallout 4. So stay tuned for that, and I love you guys as usual. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. If you're watching this, you're probably already subscribed. But just in case you didn't already, would help. Goodbye.